Hello students, Mr. Jen here. Here's our vocab for Chapter 14. Take a good look, and when you feel you're ready, go ahead and take the quiz. Clipper ship. Ships with sleek hulls and tall sails in order to clip time from long journeys. They're really fast sailboats. Telegraph, a device that uses electric signals to send messages. Morse code, a system of dots and dashes that represent the alphabet, was typically sent over the telegraph. A trade union is a group of workers with the same trade or skill. A strike is a work stoppage by employees as a protest against an employer. Prejudice is an unfair opinion not based on facts. Discrimination is unfair treatment. A famine is an extreme shortage of food. A nativist is a person who does not like immigration. They're opposed to immigration. They don't like new people coming into the country. Productivity is a measure of how much a worker can produce with a given amount of time and effort. Domestic slave trade is the trade of enslaved people among states of the United States. So it's slave trade within the United States. That's why they call it domestic slave trade and not international slave trade. The yeoman is a farmer who owns a small farm, typically used to describe small farmers of the South. An overseer is a plantation manager. They basically manage the slaves. A spiritual is an African-American religious folk song. Slave codes were laws in southern states that controlled enslaved peoples. It was things like slaves aren't allowed to know how to read and write, and they can't gather in large groups and things like that. Basically, they were made to prevent slave rebellions. Underground Railroad is a system of cooperation to aid and house enslaved people who had escaped. It was like a sort of a path of friendly people all the way to the north. And literacy is the ability to read and write. That's your vocab. Go ahead and knock out the quiz. Good luck.